Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to use floating windows on this device. So floating windows, this is absolutely perfect multitasking system that is built into your OnePlus Pad Go 2, and let me show you first of all how to open floating window. So there are a few ways how you can do that. Let's start with the first one. The first one includes a Recents tab. So open any application and you want to go to Recents tab like this. Now here you can see three-dot button, and now let's select floating window. Next way, again from the Recents tab, but you don't want to release your finger, but keep dragging, and here let's go to floating window. Okay, now third way how we can enable floating window is from Smart Sidebar. If you use, of course, your Smart Sidebar, first of all you have to open it and then tap any application to open it as your floating window. And last but not least way how we can open floating window is performing gesture with your four fingers. So you want to open any application and you want to pinch inward with your four fingers on your screen like this, and the application will shrink into floating window. Let me show you once again, just like this. Okay, and now how to manage and resize your windows. You want to drag any of the bottom corners of your window to make it larger or smaller. Additionally, you can move it around by dragging this three-dot button at the top like this. As well, if you tap on this three-dot button, you can select minimize, and it shrinks into this very small bubble, and all we're gonna do is tap on it to bring it back. And from here as well you can go full screen, or you can completely close your floating window. Okay, so this is basically how it works, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.